how to change your PIN or passcode on an Android phone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the password or PIN that you use to unlock your Android phone. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So to change our password or PIN, it's really easy. Open up the settings on your Android phone, then just scroll down. What we're looking for is security and privacy. Select that. Inside security and privacy, you just want to scroll down a little bit and select device unlock. Once in here, you'll see screen lock. So we could select that. We need to enter our current PIN, password, pattern, whatever we use to unlock our phone. Once you do that, you can select what you want your new device lock to be. So if you want to reuse what you currently have, look for current screen lock. And to change what that current PIN, password, or pattern is, just select it. You'll need to set a new PIN. So I'll just do 1, 2, 3, 4. Select next, re-enter that PIN, password, or pattern, and then confirm it. And then that will be the new PIN, password, or pattern that you use to unlock your phone, as you can see. That's how you change your PIN or password on an Android phone. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel.